Hello YouTube, this is Cars and Guns, and now we are going to overview and unbox this gaming mouse from Trust. This is GXT 138 X-Ray Illuminated. This is a 4000 dpi mouse with 10 buttons and RGB LED light, plus we can download a free software so we can set a few buttons on the mouse. This is the front of the box. We can see a picture of our new friend, where we can see that the design is great. It has got a cool Transformers feeling. This is the side of the box, where we can read the name of the mouse, and now we have a clue that how we can open the box. Actually, we have to slide it out. On the back, we can read the main features. The text says that the software is included, but the box does not contain a disk with the software. You have to download it from their website. I have put a link in the description so you don't have to go far for it. The box is looking great. Now let's open it. If you remove the transparent stickers, you can simply slide out your mouse. Then you can have your first look of the mouse. The body of the mouse is made from plastic, except the bottom it is metal, and thanks to that it has got a nice weight. And there is our 10 button, which can turn off the RGB light. The cable is made well too, it has got a nice fabric coat. Now let's see what else we have in the box. We have a multilingual support guide, one sticker, and one user guide. Of course, it is very short. You just have to plug it in. All the other things are online, the user manual and the software too. I've put the download link into the description. Now let's see the mouse again. On the left side we have 3 buttons. On the top we have 6. And as I showed you before, we have one on-off button for the RGB light on the bottom. Now let's plug it in. After you plug it in, the RGB light will automatically start. The standard setting is this breathing mode with an RGB cycle, but you can change in the software. Now let's check the software too. This is the first step in the software. We can set the button layout. If we click on each button, we have a few options what we can save to that button. We have 4 options for the DPI speed. What is great in the software that we can set the DPI speed how we want it. It is not a fixed setting like in other mouses. If we press the DPI button, the preset color will flash. As you can see, the cursor's path is changing in the same movement. We can set the RGB light too. We have a few options like breathing mode or simply color changing with the transition speed how you like it. You just have to try them out and press apply and the setting will take effect. On the second tab, we can set the mouse speed, the scrolling speed, the double click speed, and we can set a few macro too. So these are the main features of the software. Overall, it is a nice gaming mouse with a great look. It feels good too. We got the software for the customization, its weight is perfect, so your game will be great with it. Hope you got what you came for. If you do, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time, bye bye.